up everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, how's it going? How you doing? I'm doing good, thanks for asking. So before we go any further in this video, I want to introduce you guys to my two newest friends here in Colorado. Y'all, how y'all doing? This is Christian and this is Erica. Say hi. Hi. So today in my video we're gonna be doing DIY Halloween t-shirt.
We're getting to the spirits. Yes.
You know what I'm saying? So we went to Michael's. Our t-shirts, which we all got in black, so why not? We also did got stencils. We couldn't find the Halloween one, but this has all seasonal, but I don't know if you can see it, but you'll get what I mean, right? Of course, we got the paints that we need. We also got glow in the dark, so if you wanted to line up the night, go ahead. And we also, of course, you're gonna need sponges because that's what you're gonna need when you're painting on the shirt. So yeah. So the shirt that we're gonna make are basically different type of one. So the shirt I'm gonna making is like a clown type with the thinging and the red buttons. I don't know. You'll see at the end of this video. Erica's gonna be making.
I haven't decided quite yet, but it's gonna be witch themed. That's all I know. We'll see.
And then Christian is gonna be making
This owl cool little thing.
So you could print it out and make your own stencils, or just get a stencil, whatever you prefer, but this way, pretty cool. So you could do it whatever way you want. So let's get started, shall we? Guys, so here is the finished look. Sorry I didn't get to record of us doing it. Got a bit messy, okay? So, y'all know what I'm saying. Here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and this, I mean, it came out really good. Like, why not? That's it for this video. I really do hope you guys enjoy. I really do hope you guys enjoy this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you guys won't miss any of my upcoming video. And if you guys want to follow me on my social media, it would be right here in the corner or a link down below. Go ahead and check it out. And if you guys want to check out their story or Instagram, whatever, I will also leave it right down below. So go ahead and check out their Instagram and their social media. So I will see you next. Oh, she's dry. Yes, okay. So I will see you guys next time in my next video. Peace.